Today we're talking about how to find the area of a rectangle. The area of a rectangle is the space inside of the rectangle. Here is the formula to find the area of a rectangle. All you do is multiply length times width. Sometimes it'll be abbreviated LW. Alright, here's our first example. Find the area of this rectangle. So our length is 9, our width is 3, and you simply multiply 9 times 3 and get 27 inches squared. Now you try it. Find the area of this rectangle. Pause the video before you see the final answer.
2,000 years later.
If you said 30 feet squared, you are correct. Great job. Remember, the length was 6, the width is 5, 6 times 5 is 30 feet, and area is always squared. Hope this helps explain how to find the area of a rectangle. If it did, please like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.